Hello guys, it's Mrinal. Welcome to our channel. So since our last trip to Goa in January 2021, we were thinking to go somewhere which is not much explored. So काफ़ी जगहों के बारे में रिसर्च करने के बाद we finalized to explore the land of mystic beauty, Sikkim. So कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए and let's explore Sikkim virtually with us. Oh wait, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now go.
While we reach there, here is a short history of Sikkim. In the 17th century, the kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Namgyal dynasty. It was ruled by Buddhist priest kings known as the Chogyal. But in 1975, जब Indian Army took over the city of Gangtok, a referendum was held that led to the deposition of the monarchy and then Sikkim बना इंडिया का 22nd state. Here we were. After changing 2 flights, traveling for 18 hours and driving through scenic road, finally we were in Sikkim. We were at Gangtok. We were staying at Hotel 100 Petals. It's quite decent hotel with nice view and food. So we had a breakfast and started our journey to East Sikkim to explore Nathula Pass, Baba Mandir and Canggu Lake. सिक्किम में रास्ते इतने छोटे हैं फिर भी दे ड्राइव इन डिसिप्लिन्ड मैनर. गैंगटॉक में व्यू तो काफी मस्त था, but while going to Nathula Pass, the view was super amazing and on another level. Mountains, clouds, twists and turns. आफ्टर अराउंड 1 आवर हम पहुंचे नाथुला पास. नाथुला ये वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट मोटरेबल रोड्स इन द वर्ल्ड है जो सिचुएटेड है ऑन इंडो तिबेटियन बॉर्डर एट 14,450 फीट अबव सी लेवल. नाथु मतलब लिसनिंग ईयर्स एंड ला मतलब पास. नाथुला ये वन ऑफ द 3 ओपन ट्रेडिंग बॉर्डर्स पोस्ट है बिटवीन इंडिया एंड चाइना. बट 2020 बॉर्डर टेंशंस एंड कोविड के वजह से टूरिज्म एंड मूवमेंट अक्रॉस द पास अफेक्ट हुए हैं. एंड जो हमने सुना था कि ये फेमस है फॉर इट्स पिक्चरस्क ब्यूटी के लिए, वो 100% सच है. नाथुला पास तब it was 1 degree Celsius and very windy. इतनी ठंड थी but it was worth it. There are around 100 steps to reach at the top. and there we saw buildings on both sides. Minimal military presence and barbed wire separates both sides. Unfortunately, photography was not allowed there. नाथुला पास के बाद हम निकले टू विजिट बाबा मंदिर. माउंटेन्स एंड लेक के बीच में से आते हुए हम पहुंचे बाबा हरभजन सिंह टेम्पल, विच इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज बाबा मंदिर. इस टेम्पल की एक कहानी है. हरभजन सिंह वॉज अ पंजाब रेजिमेंट सेंट्री who was assigned to the border patrol force, but he vanished in October 1968. He is said to have fallen into a brook and drowned while leading mules bringing food. After a few days, he reappeared in one of his sentry colleagues' dreams, asking him to build a memorial in his name. Also, you can visit souvenir shop to check out some cool stuff. बाबा मंदिर से निकलने के बाद it was so cloudy and hardly हमें आगे का कुछ दिख रहा था. It was a thrilling experience but hats off to the driver. मतलब वहाँ के ड्राइवर्स कैसे चलाते हैं उनको ही पता. Then we were at Changu Lake. Changu Lake is also known as Somgo Lake, which is located around 40 kilometers from Gangtok and at an elevation of 12,400 feet is a must see. Somgo, which means source of water in Bhutia language. The water in the lake comes from the melting snows of the mountains that surround it. Changu Lake is not just another lake or a tourist attraction. It was an experience that we will remember fondly for the rest of our life. आपको यहाँ पे काफी याक दिखेंगे एंड यू कैन क्लिक फोटोज विद देम. एंड ऑफ कोर्स याक राइड के बाद यू कैन ईट हॉट मोमोज एंड मैगी जो ठंड की वजह से बिल्कुल हॉट नहीं लगेंगे विद चाय टू फुलफिल योर हंगर. इतने ऑसम एक्सपीरियंस के बाद वी वेंट बैक टू होटल अराउंड 5:30 PM. बट हियर सनराइज एंड सनसेट दोनों जल्दी होते हैं, सो वी रिलैक्स्ड फॉर सम टाइम एंड हेडेड टू द MG Marg.